The world of artificial intelligence is evolving at an almost impossible speed. Every few months, a new model reshapes what we believe machines are capable of. And now, as the world still adjusts to GPT-5, one question dominates the tech world. What comes next? OpenAI's answer is ChatGPT-6, the model already being called the beginning of true digital intelligence. But what do we really know about it? How close is it to release? And how different will it be from anything that came before? Let's explore everything we've learned, from official statements, insider reports, and credible research sources, to understand the most anticipated AI system in the world. According to a recent Bleeping Computer report, OpenAI has officially confirmed that GPT-6 will not launch in 2025. Instead, the company is focusing on deeper safety testing, improved reasoning, and long-term alignment. This aligns with what OpenAI CEO Sam Altman told the Indian Express. GPT-6 will be significantly better than GPT-5, not just in output, but in understanding. That single phrase, significantly better, set off an avalanche of speculation. Because GPT-5 already marked a major leap in reasoning, code generation, and factual reliability. So what exactly could better even mean now? Sources like Technology Magazine and VoiceFlow's AI research blog hint at OpenAI's direction. They suggest GPT-6 will be defined by three major breakthroughs: memory, personalization, and agency. First, memory. Unlike previous versions, GPT-6 could have a long-term memory system built directly into its architecture. That means it could remember previous conversations, preferences, and goals, creating a continuous experience across sessions. Imagine opening ChatGPT and it says, "Welcome back. Last time, you were exploring AI content creation. I've found a few new tools you might like." That level of continuity transforms a chatbot into something closer to a digital partner. According to Technology Magazine, OpenAI is developing context persistence frameworks, methods that allow the model to retain important details without overwhelming its short-term context window. It's not about remembering everything, it's about remembering what matters most. The second breakthrough is personalization. GPT-6 could allow users to shape how their AI behaves, not just what it says. Think of it as giving your assistant a personality template: tone, expertise level, depth, and emotional nuance. One insider told VoiceFlow that internal GPT-6 builds can already adjust communication style dynamically based on user behavior, enabled by reinforcement learning loops and adaptive tuning. In other words, GPT-6 won't just talk to you. It will learn from you. And then comes the third and most radical concept, agency. GPT-6 may finally evolve from a passive responder into an active problem solver. Instead of replying to a single prompt, it could plan, research, verify, and execute complex tasks autonomously. For example, find 5 potential sponsors, summarize their policies, and write a professional outreach email. GPT-6 could handle that entire process, from analysis to final output, without further direction. This concept of agentic AI is already being explored through OpenAI's AutoGPT prototypes and other labs like Anthropic and Google DeepMind. DeepMind recently described a historic AI breakthrough in autonomous problem-solving, a development that could influence OpenAI's roadmap. The Guardian, 2025, but progress comes with a price. LifeArchitect.ai reports that GPT-6 could require over 10 times the compute resources of GPT-5, pushing OpenAI to expand its infrastructure dramatically. That's likely why Microsoft and AMD announced a $1 billion partnership to build specialized AI supercomputers. Times of India, 2025. These machines will be designed specifically for models like GPT-6, capable of training networks with trillions of parameters. Meanwhile, Data Studios suggests that GPT-6's architecture could go beyond the standard transformer, integrating symbolic reasoning and multimodal processing across text, image, and video simultaneously. If that's true, GPT-6 wouldn't just read or see, it could understand the world in multiple dimensions at once. However, these abilities raise serious questions. As Technology Magazine warns, memory and personalization introduce major privacy concerns. If your assistant remembers you, who controls that data? Can it be deleted or transferred or misused? These are not just technical questions, they are ethical ones. Because as AI systems grow more human-like, the line between helper and decision-maker begins to blur. Even VoiceFlow cautions that once AI starts acting independently, accountability becomes murky. If GPT-6 sends an email, books a flight, or executes a command incorrectly, who's responsible? The user? The model? Or the developer? Beyond privacy, the social impact could be enormous. Experts from Oxford University and Stanford's Human-Centered AI Institute predict GPT-6 could accelerate automation in content creation, education, and software faster than any previous system. Some professions will transform entirely, others may disappear. But many researchers also believe GPT-6 could spark a new creative renaissance. When machines handle routine tasks, humans gain freedom to imagine, to innovate, and to think on a higher level. Your ideas, not your labor, become your most valuable resource. So what does this mean for the average person? It means the next generation of ChatGPT won't just be a website or an app. It could become an extension of your mind, a living memory that grows with you, learns from you, and evolves beside you. But that promise comes with a warning. Because when an AI starts to understand who you are, you're not just teaching it facts. You're teaching it you. And once that begins, there may never again be a clear boundary between human and machine intelligence. As we stand on the edge of this new frontier, GPT-6 represents both the most exciting and the most uncertain leap in AI history. No official release date has been announced, but one thing is certain. When it finally arrives, it won't just upgrade the internet. It will upgrade the world itself. Sources include Bleeping Computer, The Indian Express, Technology Magazine, VoiceFlow AI blog, LifeArchitect.ai, Data Studios, The Times of India, The Guardian, and Oxford University News. If you want to stay ahead of this revolution, before GPT-6 changes everything, make sure to subscribe. Because this is just the beginning. You're watching Future AI.